Vključeva?
Ja.
Pa, dajva.
Živijo Diogo, midva sva Max in Nikolina.
Živijo, kje si?
I'm in Portugal, in Lisbon, the capital city of Portugal, in the west coast of Europe. Okay, and now I'm in the Oceanariju, the biggest public aquarium in Portugal. Do you want to join me to travel around the world in the Oceanariju?
Yeah.
Yes. First, we'll travel by the surface of the sea, and then we'll dive underwater to meet the magic of the marine world. Okay.
Nice. Okay.
So now we will enter in the Oceanariju.
Okay. Welcome.
Welcome to the Oceanariju.
Yeah. Thank you.
Our first stop will be in the main aquarium.
Yeah. Okay.
Which represents the global ocean.
Kako velik je ta akvarij?
This aquarium is huge. It has 7 meters depth and 5 million liters of water, salted water.
Koliko rib je tukaj notri?
A lot of fish. Here in the Oceanariju, we have more than 8,000 animals and plants from 500 different species.
Okay.
Here in the central aquarium, for instance, we have 6 different species of sharks and a lot of fish. The sunfish there, it's a real strange fish. He holds a Guinness record of the biggest bony fish in the world.
Katere vrste rib še živijo tukaj?
There is a lot of fish species here in the central aquarium. Beside the sharks, you are seeing now the stingrays here, the southern stingrays, and then a guitarfish there, and huge shark like sandbar shark here.
It's so big.
A bi si upala plavati tukaj noter?
Ne.
And here in the center, it's a dusky grouper. If you pay attention, you are seeing an interaction between 2 small fishes.
Yeah, I see that.
The cleaning rods, they are eating the parasites and the dead tissues in the biggest fish, the dusky grouper. So,
Dishwasher.
yeah, exactly. And here is the biggest shark in the Oceanariju, the sand tiger shark.
Yeah.
He is always smiling. He can't close his mouth because he has so many teeth.
A imate še kakšne druge akvarije?
Yes, Oceanariju has more than 30 tanks, 30 aquariums here in our exhibition. Right now we are seeing the clown anemone fish aquarium, where lives 2 movie stars, Nemo and Dory.
The Nemo and Dory, yeah.
The species of Nemo is the clown anemone fish, and the species of Dory is the surgeonfish. Let's go to another aquarium, the Indian Ocean Aquarium, where you can see several fishes, a lot of shadows, a lot of colors, a lot of...
Yeah, the coral.
This is the aquarium of the real coral, with a diver in it.
Oh, hello.
That is cleaning the aquarium. He is making a hello to you. Okay, he is waving to you. I'm going to a really frozen habitat, okay? In the south of the planet, the Antarctic habitat. And here is the Magellanic penguins.
Oh,
wow.
Nice.
Magellans are birds as well, but they don't fly, as you may know. But they are excellent divers. And they dive in the really frozen water, and because of that, they have a huge layer of fat and 2 layers of feathers. Have you ever seen a sea otter? We are here at the Pacific habitat, It represents the California Bay of Monterey, and here we have the sea otters. He's here. Actually, she is here.
Nice.
Najlepša hvala za ta ogled.
Ja, res, počutim se, kot da bi bil na počitnicah.
Thank you to joining me in this travel, okay, in this voyage around the world. And which animals did you love the most in our exhibition?
Meni je bila najbolj všeč sončna riba.
Ja, meni pa morski pes in pa Nemo.
Goodbye.
Adijo.
Dio, Diogo.